strength lies in unity. There was an old man who had 4 sons. The sons used to always fight with each other. Once, the old man fell ill. He was worried about his sons and wanted to teach them a lesson so that they would understand that strength lies in being united. So he called them and gave them a bundle of sticks and said, "Can you break these sticks?" The first son tried to break the bundle, but nothing happened. He tried very hard and finally gave up. Then it was the turn of the second son. He too tried very hard, but failed. The third son too tried, and just like the others, could not break the bundle of sticks. All this while, the fourth brother laughed at the other 3 and thought himself to be clever. When his turn came, he took 1 stick at a time from the bundle and easily broke all of them one by one. The old father then smiled at his sons and said, "Children, do you understand what happened? It is always easy to break the sticks one by one. But when they are bundled together, none of you could break them. In the same way, you 4 brothers should always be together. No one will be able to hurt you then." The 4 brothers realized what their father was trying to teach them and forgot all their enmity and started living together in peace and harmony. The moral of the story? There is strength in unity.